Yoruba Nollywood actress wey her name na LAIDE BAKARE say she go shock everybody as her daughter wey her name na Simi bin play important role in how she My country pipo, I dey greet una. Gist corner with Happy don carry another tori come today. Una welcome back to my channel. Today tori na about Yoruba Nollywood actress wey her name be Alhaja LAIDE BAKARE. She come post for her Instagram page in celebration of her daughter's birthday. You will be shocked knowing the role this teenager and Simi line boss played in the process of becoming LAIDE BAKARE. Secret behind how to make millions in #6 months by LAIDE BAKARE in my forthcoming book, See Your Day Boss of All Bosses, Simioluwa Olatokunbo Chelsea. This one na how LAIDE BAKARE come post am for her Instagram page in celebration of her daughter birthday. She come even talk say her daughter's birthday wish na make everybody come dey follow her for Instagram. Hope say dey follow her for Instagram. Say na the only thing she wish for her birthday, make she see everybody follow her on Instagram. LAIDE come talk say Simi birthday wish na make everybody go her Instagram page, go dey follow am for her Instagram page. Na the only thing wey Simi go like make everybody do for am. If you wan wish am happy birthday, the only thing wey you go do na make you just go her Instagram page, go click follow, come start to dey follow am. No be small thing o. I like this girl wey no be small thing. And una go remember say e don get one time wey she buy Benz for her younger brother when her younger brother bin do 9 years old birthday, when he be celebrating birthday 9 years. So LAIDE come post am for her page, even come post how Simi bin say make dem use her money, her allowance money, buy the thing for her brother. Una bye.